you guys, so what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today is real exciting. So we are going to be reviewing the new Too Faced Christmas cookie house party. It's gonna be a house party up in here. Oh, that was lame. I am really excited that I got this in the mail today. I was legit, today's my day off, I was outside washing my car and the UPS man pulled in. I was like, oh, it's here. Alright, I need to calm down a hot minute. Anyways, the outside of the package is super cute. Here's what it looks like. Just says Christmas cookie house party. Right? Yep. And then it just has this like gingerbread house. And it's got the Too Faced logo up there. So the set does come with a lot of stuff. Like, that's why I was like really interested in getting this palette. So it comes with the Liquid Lip Matte Gingerbread Man, a mini size of the lipstick. So it comes with the Shadow Insurance eyeshadow primer, and I have yet to try their eyeshadow primer. It says it's 24-hour anti-crease eyeshadow primer. So that's the first two little things it comes with. And then when you open it up, it comes in this like plasticky thing. It also comes with one of their Too Faced mascaras, and then here's the actual palette. So the fun thing about this is kind of like the watermelon palette where it's magnetic and it all comes apart and it's separate components and everything. So the roof comes off, and the roof is actually three face products. You get the bronzer, a blush, and a highlight is Get Frosted, Daydreamer, and Extra Toasty. So here's what those look like. And here's like the front of the roof and how it looks. Super cute. And then there's more. The door actually is magnetic and it comes off. So the reason for me really wanting this whole collection is for the door. The door actually has 4 pressed glitters and then 2 matte brown shades. So here's what it looks like in the inside. The glitters look so beautiful. I am so excited to try these out. I'm so glad they put some glitters in the palette. And then inside the palette, you open it up and it's got a lot of beautiful shades. Here's what the inside looks like. It is so pretty. It's got some good warm tones. It's got this real cute purple shade up here. It's got some duochromes, some shimmer shadows. It's got some like pretty warm tones for winter and fall. So I'm super excited. I think I want to go ahead and do some swatches for you guys. I'm going to start off with swatching the door, and the first pressed glitter shade we have is called Frost Yourself, and then we've got Miss Kringle, then we've got Snow Pink, and then we've got All My Wishes. And then the 2 matte shades, we've got On a Roll and then Can't Catch Me. The glitters did not swatch very good, but pressed glitters never swatch very good. They're always can be a little bit hard to like swatch with. I'm sure they will like apply pretty good to the eye. Well, that is all the shadows for the door. Now I'm going to actually go into the house. I don't know if I'll swatch all these, but I am going to go ahead and swatch like a full arm's worth. I'm just going to pick out some of the real pretty ones, and that way we'll just kind of get a good gist of like how the shadows perform. So we've got this real pretty like cranberry shade. It's called Santa's Favorite. Swatched really good. Then we've got that real pretty purple one beside it. It's called That's My Jam. Oh, that is so pretty. Then we've got one below it that's kind of like it's a orangey red shade, and that's called Ginger Bells. That is super pretty. And then we've got a purple duochrome looking shade, and it's called Tinseltown. Oh, that is so pretty. And then right beside Tinseltown, there's a shade called I Love Yule. So pretty. Then we've got Get Elfed Up. It's another like duochrome shade. Then we've got this turquoise shimmer shade, and it's called Drink Up Grinches. Wow, that is so funny. And then we've got the last three on the bottom row. This is called Kiss and Caramel, Hot Coal, and then Easy Bake Lovin'. So here are the rest of the swatches. They all swatched so good and so creamy. Like, I think this is some of the best shadows from Too Faced that I have tried in a while. I am really excited that I have this palette. It's got some really good, it has some really pretty colors. Really interested to see how they perform. I can already tell they're gonna perform really good. Let's go ahead and dive in and see what kind of eye look I can create with all of this. I'm gonna go with like a really pretty blown out burgundy look, and then I want to use some of the pressed glitters from the little door palette. Is it everything I need is like 1,000 feet away when you're filming? It's always like way over there, like how to get over there. Anyways, I'm actually gonna dive into the shade Ginger Bells. It's this shade right here. And I'm actually just going to I'm gonna buff that kind of into my crease and kind of like high above my crease. Sorry if I'm looking down, guys. I'm holding my mirror, so fair warning. Okay, this is a really pretty shade. I really like this shade. Okay, then I want to go into the shade right beside it, which is this one. Is called Nooks and Cranberries instead of like Nooks and Crannies, you know? They're doing like a spin on words. That is so cute. Why is everything so cute? And then I'm just going to take like a kind of more of a tapered brush, and sorry, my brushes are a little dirty. Hope that doesn't bother you. And then I'm just going to sweep that into the actual crease. This is really pretty. And then I'm actually going to take this same shade down to my lower lash line. And then we're going to dive into some of the pressed glitters from the door. And I think I want to take the shade All My Wishes, which is more of like a more chromy looking glitter shadow. And I'm just going to take it on my finger. Here's a close-up if it will focus. So there's a close-up of the glitter. It is so beautiful. So then I'm just gonna be applying this to all over my lid. Okay, now that I've applied some glitter glue on top of the glitter I already applied a little bit, let's see how this turns out. By the way, I'm so sorry if you all can hear like wind chimes and stuff, because I have wind chimes right outside my window, and it is like, I feel like a hurricane is working there or something, because it is just so windy outside. I don't know what is going on today, but it's real windy, so I apologize. So yes, please use some glitter glue before you go in with these glitters. It is a world of difference. Otherwise, you're going to end up hating that glitter. But it is really pretty. I did have a little bit of fallout over here on this side before I went in with the glitter glue. But it's all good. It's all good. It's all good, y'all. Anyways, I feel like I want to do something in the inner corner. I'm going to go into my inner corner with this top shade. It's called Snowflake. It's this really pretty shimmer, stunning white shade. I'm just going to apply that to my inner corner. I did dampen my brush a little bit. That is so pretty. Loving that. I'm going to go ahead and use the blush and this highlighter that's in the roof, because I only put on a little bit of bronzer before I started filming. That blush is really pretty. I really like it. The Get Frosted highlight is really pretty too. It's more of like your standard kind of like champagne shade. If you guys can see that. There we go. It's more of like just a pretty champagne color. Yeah, I feel like with my skin tone, it just, it doesn't, like, you can't really tell that I have it on. I mean, it's kind of got like a pinky color, so it almost I feel like it's almost like a blush topper for me, which I'm totally fine with that. So then I'm going to go in with this little mini of the Too Faced mascara that they sent me, and I will be right back. So here is the final look. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video on the review of the Too Faced Christmas Cookie House Party. I am so glad that I got this. I highly recommend you all go and pick it up. It is a little bit pricey. I can't even remember how much I paid for it. I think it's like, I don't even remember. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe down below, and y'all, don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye guys, thanks for watching.
Hey guys, so if you haven't subscribed already, then click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you want to watch another great video, then click the one on the left or the one on the right.